get you one. You want camo? I'll be the only nigga in camo to do it. Niggas gonna be like, oh shit, that shit's pretty. That shit's pretty. Yeah, but listen to juice, I bought it myself. We're on the way to G Exhaust right now. Get some baffle works done. I almost got an SRT8 from here. It's that. Yeah, but now you got this beast. It's 11:26. And then what? M3? No, nigga. Look at what I mean. I know. Oh shit. Yeah. That's what's up, bro. They was like. Oh, what the fuck, bitch? Motherfuckers, man. Yo, niggas don't know how to whip. Yo, I'm about to get out this car and smack his fucking side mirror, dog. It's the fact that he didn't even look, bro. Dog, he just fucking went in there. And look where the fuck he's going, into the Hard Rock. Pretty dope car. You seen how sucking in that Challenger though, right? Bobby? You seen how sucking in that Challenger? Yeah. A Challenger ain't fast, bro. It's a 6-cylinder. You almost
I'm about to get an
G-Exhaust.
SRT8 though.
Bobby?
I'm about to get an SRT8 version.
Right before Orange Drive, guys. Right on 441. G Exhaust. Bro, Jessica's friend got pregnant, bro.
Which one?
Let me show you.
The dumb bitch with the blonde hair?
No. His bitch. Erica.
Who the fuck is that?
Bro, the girl that was with her, dog.
Nigga, I don't know.
Then they kissed that lame ass.
Oh, that bitch.
Yeah, and they were like, damn, this is lame as fuck.
Good.
Bro, both pregnant.
That's good. I'm proud of her.
Rory was fucking right, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga was like, bro, stop fucking with them lame ass bitches. Start fucking with hoes that have checks.
Blue check.
Hoes that got blue checks, brother. They got nothing going for them. They're gonna get pregnant within a year, dog. What happened, bro? It hasn't even been a year, nigga.
Guys, today is a very exciting day. We're working on my exhaust. I'm at G Exhaust. Shout out to G Exhaust, by the way. Nice. Got my G Exhaust there right here. Awesome. Thank you, brother. Guys, this is G right here, guys. This is G Exhaust. So for what I'm hearing, the exhaust that's on there before is like ghetto and it's disgusting. Like, look how ugly that is. Look at the welds. Like, it's just nasty. Bro, that crap looks disgusting, bro.
Oh, that's the bitch right there. I need that, what you got there. Oh, you need that? Yeah.
So right now what they're doing, they're trying to get these off right now. These ugly rectangular things. Screwing the top.
I really want to.
Bro, why can't I work here, bro? This place is lit. Look at these people. Guys, the exhaust tip looks phenomenal. Look at that thing. I'm gonna zoom in because he's welding and that thing burns. Like literally the spark flew and burned my foot just now. And I was like, nah, I'm not getting nowhere near that because I don't have like plastic toed boots like they do. They have boots so they don't really feel it. I'm gonna feel that crap. So I backed up. But dude, the exhaust tips look so raw. Look at that.
She was like, tomorrow.
Guys, shout out to G Exhaust, guys, for doing my exhaust tips. Guys, if you ever need an exhaust, come to G Exhaust. This is inside of G Exhaust right now. Look at all the exhaust tips on the wall. Look at this. All these exhaust tips. Even got Corsa exhaust for the Corvette, which is really sick. These are the pipes here, guys. Look at that. Whew. Oh. Look at the exhaust tips, guys. So like this is all done right here? Like you finished welding it already?
No. We tack it in place just to get an idea of where we're gonna put it, and then once everything's tacked, we go ahead and weld it, put a bead on it.
Ah, okay. So you just did that just so you could let go of the exhaust.
Don't move so I can match the other side to this one.
Ah, okay. We back up again because that crap burns. See guys, he's tacking on the exhaust right now. He's tacking on the exhaust right now. So he can let go. You know, so it can be lined up perfectly with this exhaust tip right here. So this guy's like welding. He's welding the exhaust together. But I don't know how his shirt is not catching on fire right now. All the sparks that flew at him, his shirt is not on fire right now. Look at this. Perfectly fine. Doesn't even burn. See what I mean? Bro, how is his shirt not catching on fire?
Sweat?
So I asked him, how are you welding and your shirt's not catching on fire? Because my brother was in school for welding, and like his shirt, like right here.
It will. If it stays here long, I mean, you see all the little holes?
Oh.
You see that? Sometimes they end up here. That shit hurts. Right, Adrian?
It's metal falling down, right?
Especially when it goes to the shoe.
I'm sitting there welding one day. I have my headphones on. He's like, Marcelo, you're on fire! I'm like, he looks at me like, but I have my headphones on. But I thought he got me. Marcelo, you're on fire! I'm like, after I run, oh shit, I was on fire. A hole like this, he had on the fire. A hole like that.
How the hell you didn't feel that, bro?
All of a sudden I felt hot. Like, oh shit! And then I looked at that nigga, you didn't tell me. He's like, I did!
Awesome people. Awesome service. Very happy with the service. Where's my keys? My keys are in there so you can start it?
Yeah, you ready to work out?
Look at my bad boy. Look at my little Nighthawk.
Turn the other way fast.
Hurry up, cars are coming, bro. Cars are coming.
Got a train. It's an airplane coming. Go. Why you beeping the horn?
Damn, it's actually loud now.
It's split in two.
The pipe was shooting only one flow. Now it's split in two.
Bro, it sounds like a beast, dude. It sounds much better. Oh my God, guys, I'm so happy for this. Big shout out. I'm definitely coming back here to get something else. Now let's hear it. Ooh. Golly, yo, that sounds so loud. Like, it's sick. It's much louder. Yo, I'm so happy right now, guys. I'm super happy right now. I'm super pumped for this.
I don't need no Molly to be savage. But when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Ain't my girl the definition of a bad bitch. Stole her heart, I'm the definition of a bad I took the Billy crew back in the hot and kind. I put this bitch in front of the Billy in front of the driver.
Yeah.
Yo, tell him to pull as far as he can to the right and move forward, and then to back out that way. Huh?
I can't have you in here revving this shit up. These people pay rent to keep their boats here. I can't have.
He doesn't have power steering. It's hard for him to steer this.
I don't care. He can leave. Okay.
All right then. I told you that when you were over there, dog.
All right. Well, I can't get in trouble because your boy has a loud exhaust and no power steering. That's not my fault.
I didn't say that's your fault. I'm just saying, if somebody comes to you, tell me you already told us to leave, and we're leaving. That's a problem.
You're videoing.
You know what I
You don't
said,
need to touch
right?
me. You're videoing. You're literally taking your time. Do you not see how that's disrespectful to me? And I don't need to call the police. I'm just telling you.
What you gotta do? That's what I'm telling you.
I don't want to.
Alright then.
All right then. Back up.
Hey buddy, bro, all we doing is vibing, dog. Come on, man. It's a nice area. We're not doing anything. We're not burning out. We're not freaking revving it. Well, we revved it like 30 minutes ago. And we asked you if we could rev it. You're like, yeah, but just like make sure.
Don't say nothing else then, dog. We done.
Yeah.
Hey yo. You security? You security?
I'm not security.
So what job are you doing exactly? Hey. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do, right? We're just gonna park there, take 1 or 2 more pictures, and then we out. You ain't gonna see us again.
Jason, don't say nothing else then.
Alright, let's go, bro. Let's go. Fuck these niggas.
Take this up.
Yeah. Haters, motherfuckers. They hating on the Nighthawk. Fuck wrong with these niggas. Ain't nobody hating on this car. Fuck you mean. Little bitch ass hating ass faggot over there. Look at it. Look, hold on. I know you're gonna see this shit later on, but you don't hear me now. But yeah, go over there. You don't hear my ass now, but look at this bitch ass nigga, dog. Look at this little motherfucker, dog. That fucking hate that little nigga, bro. What? Yo. Oh yeah, he's taking pictures with us too. That boy whipping out the Toyota. Hey.
No power steering for that.
Hey, got more power than your SUV though. Can that shit go over 100? Can that thing even go over 100 miles an hour, my dude? No, it can't. That's what I thought. Hey, park up right there next to that car, man.
Park it right there, bro. We
Yeah,
finna
bro.
compare it, bro. We finna
Compare it. Talking about no power steering, motherfucker.
Bro, it's a fucking Toyota that built like a fucking Hummer, bro.
Hey, now Hummers are nice as fuck though. That's built.
Are you kidding me, bro?
That's built like an off-brand
Hummers
Hummer.
no more, nigga.
That's an off-brand Hummer. Yeah. Hey, don't worry. I'll get your car in it too, bro. You ain't alone no more. You made some new friends today, buddy. It's all good.
Get out of here. Your boy's filming, bro.
Yo, hold up. Who's this guy again? Who's this guy? Hold on, bro. Yo, I got 1 pictures. He kind of ruined it because I wanted like a slanted picture of the car, but he kind of put his shit there.
We'll be back.
Yeah, we'll be back later. Come on.
Put it in the car, bro.
Yo. Hey, man. Hating ass motherfuckers. All we doing is taking some pictures, enjoying the nice ass view, and motherfucker wants to kick us out, man. Fuck wrong with him, dog? Like, what type of bitch ass nigga is that?
My boy tripping, dog.
For real, on some real shit.
Bro, now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna compare this car to that piece of crap over there.
Fuck is this thing?
I have no power steering. I have more horsepower than you.
What the hell is that, bro?
They don't even make these.
This thing built like a freaking bumper cart, bro. You ever go to them like off-brand fucking like carnivals and shit? That's the type of bumper cars you be seeing right there, dude. But look at this beautiful view, man. Fucking love this shit, man. And he kicking us out like this is a public area, motherfucker. How can he kick us out of a public area, though?
He can't.
He can't. He ain't on the night hold, bro. Get right, nigga. Get yourself a night hold. Ain't fucking around right here.
Listen.